The camera was parking by when he noticed this unusual car accident in China. Motorbike driver wasn't injured and the car had minor damage. This car accident happened in Russia. In this car accident, silver car was going fast, although he was in a crossroad. The black car wasn't paying attention and hit the car. These cars had major damage.
There are Cayennes that have manuals and they look nice. He was thinking he wanted a car. Charlie, I don't think as good as Cayennes are.
This car incident happened in Northampton. This accident shows us why we have to pay attention while driving. The camera was driving along in the car ahead, not paying attention to the traffic and hit the other car. This happened on the camera's way home from work. On a rainy day, motorbike driver lost the motorcycle control because of the wet way. The following clip was a hit-and-run incident that occurred on August 9th. Lada driver wanted to change his lane, but he hit a truck and he ran away. Fortunately, the truck has no damage. In this incident, the camera was causing when suddenly a dog jumped out in front of them.
Hey.
The following clip was a car and motorbike incident that occurred on 8th August. It appears that the driver tries to turn left, but it looks like the motorbike driver wasn't paying attention enough. Fortunately, he is not injured. This accident happened in China. The camera was parking and the dashcam captured that incident. It is unknown if there were any injuries. This happened in Sydney. The camera was driving along the highway in the left-hand lane and a man appears from behind the other car and rolls onto the highway. Luckily, the driver quickly swerves into the right-hand lane, missing the man. The camera was waiting in the traffic and his dashcam captured an accident. A biker changed the lane instead of staying in his lane and a scooter driver didn't notice the biker. Luckily, they are not injured. The camera was driving along and his dash cam captured an accident. In this accident, a biker runs the red light and a bad collision with a vehicle in front of the camera. This accident happened on August 10th. The camera was driving along in his lane, but a taxi hit him because of a biker. This footage is about why we have to obey the traffic rules and paying attention on driving. On the crossroad you should slow down, and if you are a biker you should wear your helmet. The silver car is driving wrongly, but it's not like the camera can't see him and easily camera no not crash into him. The cars had minor damage. Even in the park area, paying attention is important. This accident happened on 21st of July. The camera was driving along and saw a car going the wrong way pulling out. The car nearly hit the camera's car.
No, you know what? He was one of those guys who had faith in the return and he would actually do what he was coached to do, which is hit it fast, hit it hard, don't sit there and think about it, don't stutter step. He did it right.
It appears that the camera is driving along and a truck pulls out of a lot. Fortunately, camera was paying attention to driving and he braked on time. This incident occurred in Russia. It appears that SUV driver wants to turn left without any signal and collides with a motorbike. The last clip was captured in China. The camera was driving and when he arrived the corner used horn for warning other drivers. Probably red car driver could not hear the horn and hit their car.